Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to allow friends to join your world in Minecraft. Alright, let's begin. First, launch Minecraft on your device and tap on the play button. From here, select the world you want your friends to join and tap the edit icon next to it. Scroll down a little and open the multiplayer settings from the left side menu. Make sure that all multiplayer features are turned on so your friends will be able to connect to your world. This includes the option that allows friends to join and the visible to LAN option. Next, enter your world. Once the world has loaded, open the game menu by tapping the button at the top. Here, you will see the Invite to Game option. Tap on it and a list of your available friends will appear. From the list, select your friend's account and send them an invite. Once they receive the invitation and accept it, they will automatically spawn into your world. So that's basically how you can allow friends to join your world in Minecraft. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!